Updating your profile details on Hired is essential to ensure that potential employers have the most accurate information about you. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or name, usually located in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your personal profile dashboard. Step 3. Edit profile information. Look for an option that says Edit Profile or Profile Settings. Click on it to access the sections of your profile that you can modify, such as your work experience, skills, and education. Step 4. Make changes. Go through each section and update the necessary details. You can add new experiences, adjust your skills, or change your personal information as needed. Be sure to save any changes you make. Step 5. Review and save. After making all the desired updates, review your profile to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Once you are satisfied, click the Save or Update button to finalize your changes. By following these steps, you can keep your Hired profile up to date and increase your chances of connecting with potential employers.